Radhe Radhe. According to Magh Mahatmya explained in Vayu Puran, there was a Brahmin named Susil. He had two sons, Subrit and Brit. On the auspicious night of Janmashtami, they thought to attain the celebration in the Sri Krishna temple. While they were in the way to the temple, it started raining heavily. They saw a shelter nearby and they went there. It was a brothel. Subrit thought to stay there until the rain stops. But Brit was against his brother's advice. He thought it's a sin to stay there even for a second. So he started walking in the rain. Finally, he reached the temple. After he reached the temple, he started thinking of the brothel. How lucky is my brother? He is enjoying the great worldly places there. He might be in between of the beautiful girls. He might be touching them. He might be sleeping in the laps, and much more that might be happening in the brothel. He was, though in the temple, looking in the Sri Krishna's eyes, his mind was somewhere else. Though he was bowing down with his body to the lotus feet of Sri Krishna, his mind was going somewhere else. Though he was listening to the Leelas of Sri Krishna, he was not listening to them. Though he was uttering the verses from the scriptures, he was not praying to Lord Sri Krishna. On the other hand, Subrit started regretting for his own decision. He started lamenting within. How fallen soul am I, and how great soul is my brother. How great sadhak is my brother. He has gone to the temple in this heavy rain. Lord Krishna may have taken avatar by now. They might be celebrating Nandotsav by now, and so on. Though he was in the brothel, but his mind was completely engrossed in the functions and celebrations in the temple. He was totally attending all the functions in the temple. Though he was in the brothel, his mind was totally engrossed in all the functions and celebrations in the temple. Although he was in the brothel, he was totally absorbed in the devotion of Sri Krishna. In the morning, both of them set their locations. When they met, suddenly the thunder struck and both of them died on the spot. Both of the Yamadut and Vishnudut came there. Vishnudut were about to take Subrit and Yamadut were about to take Brit. Subrit said, "You might have been confused because I was in brothel all the night. But my brother was in the temple. He was celebrating Janmashtami festival. So I deserve to be in the hell, and my brother deserves to be in the divine abode of God." The Vishnudut said, "Although your brother was in the temple, he was not in the temple. He was in the brothel. But you were in the brothel, but you were absorbed in the devotion of Sri Krishna." So, in the spiritual area, the work or the devotion done by your mind, the devotion done by your heart is counted. not your physical attendance. So, in this auspicious occasion, I would love to wish you all a devotional Janmashtami. And the main thing is that we must understand and we must know that not our physical attendance but the attendance of our mind is totally very important in the devotional area. Happy Janmashtami. Radhe Radhe.